Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my 24th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about HTML5 class attribute and how to use class on block and inline elements. Okay, so let's begin. Classes are part of CSS and generally used to add styles to a bunch of inline or block level elements. First, we will discuss how we can add class to a block level element such as div. Okay, here we have added two div level elements, and have added two other block level elements inside it, h2 and p tags inside it. Okay, now let's save it and check in our browser. At present you can see there are no styles present here. Now we are going to add class to these elements. So how we can add a class element? We simply give a space and write class and then give equal to, then within double quote we name the class here and then close the double quote. It can be any name, you can name it any. Okay, similarly we add the class here also, because we will be adding the same class to both the div. So we save it. Now here we will define how the class element will be styled within the style tag. Okay, we add background color here, black, and color will be white. Give a margin of 20 pixel and give a padding of 20 pixel. Now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here that we have styled both these div in one go. Just by defining class once, we have added styles to both these div. Next we will discuss how we can add class to any inline element. Here we have added two block elements h1 and p, and within those we have added span here. Okay, span is a inline element. So at present there are no styles here. Now let's add some class here. Okay, to add class, similarly we will simply add class here, then equal to, then we name the class here. Okay, similarly we will add class here also, simply just copy it. Now we will define the class here. To define the class, we have to add a dot. First we will name the inline element, then simply add a dot, then name the class. Okay, then curly braces, then within that we will define the style. Here we will define font size equal to say 16 pixel and color is red. Now we have saved it. Now let's check in our browser. Here you can see that the color of this text and this text both have changed to red. Okay, so you can see here we have used the same class, but we have added the class to two different types of elements, one for h1 tag and another for p tag. So that is the utility of class. Since class is a part of CSS, we will discuss about class in more details in our CSS tutorial series. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.